more and then you can
Yeah.
scan
all
it.
that.
You can see the white ones now. It's the agricultural version. Just send it out like, it's like, you know, there's the one manually, and I'm like, oh, it's perfect. But, yeah, I would.
All right, everyone.
Yeah, and like, I'm just.
Everyone, please attention. So let's start with grouping. One group right here, 6 people, and the rest of that, those people, can stick in the middle of the back, in the middle of the classroom around.
So 2 groups?
Yeah, just 2 groups.
You want 2 groups?
Hello. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. Today we are going to explore and discuss something new in evolution.
What
today,
year are we?
Yeah,
Sorry.
year 10.
Year 10.
Yeah, absolutely. So today's content is very simple and interesting. So don't worry about that if you are wrong and right. So just share and discussing something you think you are something very interesting, right? So let's start with some. First one, where is it?
Australia.
Australia, yeah. Do you have some exact location of that?
Kangaroo Island.
Yeah, Kangaroo Island. Have you been at that?
I have.
Yeah. Can you explain and describe something before you get there and the whole experience in Kangaroo Island?
Water.
Water?
As in, like, you have to take the ferry over there.
Yeah.
Is that what you mean?
At time when you want to board the ferry.
Before the ferry?
Yes. Before you board the ferry, I need
Yeah.
assistance.
All the preparation you need to.
You cannot
Yeah,
bring.
maybe.
Do you have honey with you?
Yeah, there's like
Man.
a lot of biosecurity before you can get to Kangaroo Island.
Do you know why is that?
Because it's a unique ecosystem.
Yes.
And then,
That's all I know.
what if we brought something forbidden to get there? What would happen?
Or we just get taken?
Experience?
We haven't experienced.
Oh, just yes, that's all right, because there's nothing with right or wrong. Yes,
So they would probably confiscate it and give you a fine.
give you fine. How much of that? You don't know.
Because it depends on how bad the thing is that you're trying to take in there.
Because the situation will be really bad for that, right? Yen?
500 fine.
500?
No, it's just my guess.
Yes, 500. What else? Anything else?
I haven't said.
Do you have any guess about the fine?
Less than that.
That's for that.
Probably less than that.
So have you ever been, does anyone have to that place?
The Kangaroo Island.
Yeah, the Kangaroo Island.
Yeah.
Just of you?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've been there.
You?
Yes.
Yeah, and anyone else? You? Where is it look like that at this place? Is that very beautiful?
Yeah, it's lovely.
Yeah, and you can interact with kangaroos freely.
I
You
didn't.
probably don't want to.
Probably don't want to, but
Yeah.
there are pictures about it.
Probably in wildlife parks, yes.
They're pretty aggressive.
Yeah, they're very aggressive.
Oh, grassy.
Yeah.
Interesting, yeah.
They're
And the
huge.
experience should be very impressed. All right, next. So what we do for next part is if we brought something in Kangaroo Island, just for any rabbits, they will cause some very serious situation. And what is the same is feral cats in Australia right now. What we should do? Let's explore this news, right?
Sorry.
Sorry.
And there is a volume button at the top of the keyboard. It's a dial. You need to turn that up a bit.
Know the homes in the school catchment with Domain.
Parliament House had some extra snakes, critters and furry creatures on the grounds today. It's all in the name of saving our native species by eradicating millions of feral cats with a federal government plan which may affect your family's pet cat.
This is the Felixa, a feral cat trap, which lures in feral cats using recorded mating calls or the sounds of distressed prey before the machine detects the shape of a cat firing a toxic green gel.
The cat will then walk off, lick it, and and in a couple of days it starts getting the symptoms, it dies quite peacefully.
The Australian invention is one of the efforts of the federal government's war on feral cats.
Cats kill about 6 million animals every night in Australia.
The federal government's draft plan to tame the population of feral cats also includes a trial of feral cat shooting programs, increased use of baiting, and expanded cat-free fenced-off areas. For those with domestic cats, the plan is looking at desexing requirements, a household limit on numbers of cats, and a nationwide curfew to keep pet cats inside at night.
About 2/3 of animals that have gone extinct in Australia have had cats as a factor.
Coming up with some visitors to Parliament.
I'm going back inside today.
The Environment Minister today added 48 plants and animals to our threatened species list. She's declared there will be no more extinctions on her watch. Lizzie Pearl, 9 News.
Okay, we have watched this video and we have 3 minutes to discuss in your group what are we doing and the reasons what we need to do that. All right, just have 3 minutes to discuss that.
Trying to bring down the population of feral cats. Because
Is this like a recent thing?
yeah,
I've
we
never heard
have
of
the
that.
conversation.
I
I don't think so.
Is there is?
With that,
Oh,
on the
cats
yeah, I don't think there was
are
a
cats.
cat.
Because my cat didn't hear about that.
Yeah,
But then also, like, I was like, how do you differentiate between a feral cat and a domestic cat?
You
Because
don't.
because domestic cats can like kill like rats. and
But also,
shit.
how do they differentiate between a cat and a possum? Like,
That could kill anything.
because like that's similar body shapes. Like I don't
Yeah.
feel like
It'd be the way that they move.
I don't know. I don't trust computers.
No, I don't trust it either, but I'm assuming so.
Yes, and can you link it to why we cannot bring
I think it
rabbits?
was the shape
Or
that it
honey
was doing.
to
It's like
Kangaroo
probably not gonna
Island?
do it to a human. And then she looked like a cat.
Oh, I-
Yes, so they might kill things there,
Yeah,
right?
they like it.
Yeah.
But
It's
like,
like naturally humans don't go, a green gel.
well, there are a lot of like native mammals that have a very similar body shape to a cat.
Yes.
Unless this is an incredibly sophisticated computer program.
Okay, anyway.
Well, we're trying to cut down.
Yeah, so
on
there were,
population extinction, so
Yes.
Desexing.
killing the cats.
Right, do you know what desexing is? Yeah,
That is a big number.
desexing so
That's
the
a big
population
number.
doesn't get out of control.
Yeah,
But
exactly.
to keep
Honestly,
household
how-
cats indoors.
how
Actually,
many
they've just
of
started,
those are, like, rats that
a
we
council
get?
where my mom lives, she's got 2 cats.
But
And
it's
they
not
just
like
said
it's
that now
how
you
many-
can be inside at night.
Rats ate my beans, and I'm not happy about it.
Not
They
fair.
ate my green beans.
But they're trying to.
My garden. I went to harvest them. I went to pick my green
And then what was
beans,
the
and
other
they're
thing? It
all
was
gone now.
desexing.
Rats
So
ate it.
limiting the number as well. So you can't have more than 2
Yeah,
cats
all the feral
in your
cats
house
eat
without
it.
permission.
All right, everyone, may I have attention, please?
Yes.
Okay, could you please share your discussion about what we are doing right now?
Well, we are trying to limit the feral cat population
Yeah.
so as to protect the native wildlife.
Protect. Yeah, anything else?
Did we have anything else?
To the green gel thing.
Killing cats.
Yeah,
Killing cats.
killing cats.
Kill them. Kill them. Kill them dead.
Yeah.
In a peaceful way.
Turn a green cat.
Yeah, right. And,
Ingesting poison.
yeah.
That's how I want to go out.
And the second one?
Because they're killing 6 million a night, apparently.
And cause some creature extinction, right?
I don't believe that. That's a
I
big
don't know
number.
about that either, but.
As a politician, she would find people.
Oh, she would never lie to me.
What are you thinking?
6 million. Yeah.
And
But I feel like that's it, right?
Yeah.
that's
Is
it?
there anything more to it?
Okay, how about this group?
We basically said the same thing.
That same thing?
Yeah.
Limit the amount of the cats and protect the environment of the place. And the reasons we need to do is to because the cats cause some extinction of the local creatures. So what should we call this type of creatures like feral cats in Australia?
Invasive.
Invasive.
Yeah.
Okay.
Some struggle points.
Anyone know these four remains?
Means they take over. But I don't, because aren't invasive species like ones that aren't natural to the environment?
Cats aren't natural.
Okay, cool, amazing.
So the cats,
So
so the cats in Australia who?
So species that aren't natural, that
Yeah.
are
They've been introduced.
introduced to the
Yeah,
species
introduced
and
by-
are doing bad things. Because I know with certain creatures that are invasive don't necessarily kill,
So-
but they can like
Yeah.
like they can eat crops and stuff like that.
Yeah,
So like
yeah,
mangoes.
rats.
So can we regard this bad enough?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So invasive animals. Okay. Do you have any questions with that? No. All right. Let's play a game. Okay, let's play a game.
All right.
Yeah, this game is a simulation of competitor, right? We will role play this one in.
All right.
Oh.
Yeah.
Holy moly. Oh guys, we get how big we are.
Can I do garlic myself?
Okay, so mix them up, and then we will introduce the rule of this game. Okay. All right, we'll have a map, rows of plants, and a big paper, and you can record the consequences you may take with this game. All right? Okay.
How do we play?
Okay. Let's focus on the screen. There's rules of the game and how we are playing. All right. First one, we got two groups right now, and gathering materials for each group. So check the material on the table. First one, game board, the map. Okay, the map, and 5 or 6 plant tokens. You should have 6 tokens, right? Yeah, you have 5 in that group. And the information cards. You can read the information of your row of the plant. And when that action cards, it's a very small one, and very good.
Right here,
Yeah.
that's
Right
the
here.
action card.
Yeah, I've got
We
the
can
action
shuffle
cards.
it and place it face down in the center of your table.
And with that table to record results, you can draw on your own on that A3 paper, right?
Oh.
And let's play. First step, choose a plant. Choose any plant you want, you like, okay?
Well, I guess the one that you've got in front of me. I've got the Eastern Red Field.
All right. Did everyone choose one plant? Okay, and place tokens. Our token starts in the start area.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then shuffle the action cards and place them beside the board.
Yeah.
Yep.
What's that? And then our goal is to plant species with the largest population. It's very simple. And the turn order. Please follow the ruler. Wild generic name, Black Eye Susan, is generic Casey. Yeah. Yeah, you can recognize it, all this work, right? Action cards at the start of each turn. Draw one action card and follow the instructions. And event species. If you had on a spatial space, check your plant information card.
Gotcha.
This is very important to see what to do. Example, you can read this. And the competition cards. If 2 or more players are on the same space, you will have a competitor, right? They compete according to their plant cards. If alone stay in place, if sharing with several players, compete with each one, right? Each one. And then run out of cards, shuffle and reuse them. Okay? round results. The first to reach the finish area wins the round. Okay, let's play 3 rounds of this game.
Alright,
All right,
starts with
take
wild
your time.
geranium. Yeah, 3 rounds. So it starts with wild
Yeah.
How do we move though?
geranium. Pick a card.
Pick a
Yeah,
card.
but this has
So
competition.
you start. She
Then
starts.
I'll do all
She's
the
got
other
the
and then-
wild.
Yeah, mix
Start the
up.
line.
This is my starting part, so I don't move anywhere.
So like you're on a
Maybe you
sense
pick a
spot,
different one to
so you
start.
Alright,
compete with
and
it.
then black, white, Susan.
Maybe pick a different one to
Use
start.
black, white,
Yeah,
Susan.
we're all on the same cut on the same space, so we
Because
all compete.
you are in the same environment.
Yeah, okay, so
Right?
then
Okay.
I need
Alright,
to.
so you guys are competing. So what
Then
is
you
your
don't
competing
compete.
I
name?
You
flip a
don't
coin. Okay.
So you don't move back.
So,
But
Oh,
whatever
flip
sign
flip
you
a
might
coin,
move forward.
see who moves and head one
I'm a
space.
geranium.
So you're competing in every corner.
Exactly. So I'm competing with everyone.
Does anyone have a coin?
Oh, but you can't
Maybe
move back.
mix them up.
Did you have a
If I'm
coin?
competing with geranium, I have to move forward
I didn't-
too.
I didn't have
So
a
you can
pair.
move forward too because you're
You know what?
competing.
So there's
Yeah,
a flip a
exactly.
coin.
Yeah, but then I'm
one
also
coin.
competing with
Hey,
everyone
there you
else.
go.
Yeah,
But
good.
you're not gonna
Yeah,
do it.
just
Yes.
my turn here. And
Mine
then,
has
hats.
flip a coin.
Yeah, exactly. So.
I don't have a. So is it
Rock, paper,
only
scissors?
the person
Rock, paper, scissors.
One
whose
space.
turn is
Okay,
competing?
so you don't move.
Yeah,
You
you get to
can
move,
move,
you
you
get
can
to
move
produce
one
seeds
forward.
and do whatever it says on produce.
Alright.
Who's the red cedar?
Red cedar is not on this.
Oh, alright.
There's no rest
So that's
either.
my turn then.
Okay,
Who's
who's
next?
next?
Apparently I move forward too because I'm competing with you. Forward
Yeah.
Oh,
What about you?
really?
But are we doing all our competing or
No,
is
it's
it just the geranium?
Yeah, her against her.
Okay, so me, I'm
Okay,
next.
well, this
Hand me
is
cards. No, just hand me the
But I
top one.
think it's whoever's
Or
actually
just put them there
competing.
then.
Yes, but like you
But
said.
hers says
Competition, you
Okay.
compete for
Yeah.
nutrients.
Yeah.
I'll share in your
So
space
you
and
guys
I'll
go
the
to
direction
each
of
other
the card.
and then
If
you
you're not
guys-
sharing, stay put.
One.
I didn't even get to move. Rude.
You are two spots.
Oh no, who's next?
Yeah,
Alright,
You
you're
jump.
competing with wild geranium, so
Wow.
she is garlic
Yeah,
mustard.
You too.
Oh, I have to move
I
forward.
see, I see.
Okay, so who's next?
Me. It's gonna be hard.
Alright.
Yeah, these mustard plants are ridiculous. So you get to move forward too.
Move forward two
There
spaces.
you
Alright.
Sunlight and moisture levels are.
Alright, and then
So,
shiny.
so is there a competition?
Oh, I have a big competition right here.
Only if you pick a competition.
That's
card.
one competition because I compete at the start.
That's why they have. That's why we have competition cards. Because
Okay.
otherwise we'd be competing a
Yeah,
lot.
right,
Okay.
okay, so then.
So whose turn is
sharing
it?
a
It's garlic
piece-
mustard.
I'm not
Okay.
playing a bowl of you say.
Move back one space. You are infected by a powdery mildew fungus.
Loser.
Wow, rude.
This is so fun. You're on the fence.
Ew, get out.
I'm mildewy. Sorry. Deal with the fungus.
Alright, so that was it, so back to you.
Fertilizer runoff.
Wow, this
And
looks
you
so
have to
quick.
produce. You're on produce seeds. So what does that mean for you?
Move.
Okay,
Not
sharing
sharing
second. Alright,
What?
what about
Oh,
yourself?
That one stays.
Okay.
It's your turn.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a lot. Okay, move forward two spaces back. What? Sunlight and moisture is
Oh, now you're sharing with garlic mustard, what does that say?
Which one?
She's black eyed Susan.
Black eyes.
Competition, you compete for light, you're sharing a space with another player for.
So you move forward two and she moves back one,
So-
and she produces
I move
one,
back
two.
one.
I beat you for the last. I move forward to.
You're on produce seeds.
And you move forward two.
Move forward 3 spaces.
Then you're on colonized forest.
Colonized forest, forward 2 spaces.
Oh.
I colonized well. That fungus is helping.
Okay.
Alright, who's
Just
up
like
for
a
black
tiger
eyed
goat.
Susan?
If not
Oh,
sharing,
me.
stay put.
Am I gonna do something this time?
Okay.
I've already eat some of your seeds, move back one space.
Wait, what?
God, okay.
Oh.
So
So,
exactly.
competition, you compete for life. Sharing space from another player, follow directions, if not stay put.
Your poll was successfully transferred to another plant. Move one space forward.
But it's colonized
Well,
forest.
geranium.
So you're still on the same.
Hold on, wait.
I have to move back.
Move one space.
Oh no.
Nice
Back to the start.
It's beautiful to share.
I'd love if it was colonized forest.
Sunlight and moisture levels, move two spaces forward.
Yay.
Good job, geranium.
Yeah, you get to move forward two.
Move forward two spaces.
you actually here. Produce seeds, what does it say? Sorry, that was before your turn. Yes,
Sunlight and moisture levels are ideal for growth. Move forward 2 spaces.
What is
Right,
colonized
and that says
Colonize
forest.
forward 1 space.
Whoa.
Catch up, guys.
Alright,
Alright,
now
now
you
every
need black
part
eyed
can
Susan.
Yeah, but yours is move forward.
Yeah.
Move forward, colonize is just move back.
I'm so sorry. Bush, and you suckle.
Competition. There are enough resources to share.
Alright, then you've just had your shot.
If sharing a space
You're
on the
there.
planet,
Okay,
what do
good.
you
Who's
say?
after
Oh,
honeysuckle? Wise.
Mutually assured destruction.
Wait.
Move back on
I
Oh.
don't get far.
No. Honeysuckle.
Oh, I got it too.
Move back one space.
Yeah, I did back. Okay. Back one. You only have to move back one.
All right.
Wow.
Yeah, and then the honeysuckle gets to move forward
You,
2.
you have
Alright,
access
and
to the
then
nutrients
compete
that
with
you
Black
need
Eyed
to grow.
Susan.
Move forward 1 space.
What? You're getting so loud. Yours is move
I am
forward
just a
one.
weed, basically.
Competition.
Do we have to do a competition every time we share a space,
So-
or is that only on the computer?
I thought it was
I'm
I
very
thought it
good
was,
at
but then it just says
using
if 2 or more players on the same space, they compete for each their plant card.
Yeah.
When you pick up a competition card. It says on here,
You move ahead one, which means you move back.
Wrong.
Oh, okay, so you move ahead.
Oh. We don't need to.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay, so it's cool. Sick.
Happy day.
I don't know, are we supposed to compete if we're always when we're on the same space, or is it only
Yeah, you
if
need
pick
to
up a
compete.
competition card?
Only when you draw the
It's
competition.
only when you draw, so
Yeah.
you can share the same space,
As long as you didn't draw.
unless you don't draw the card. Okay, that's what I thought. We were competing every time we landed on the same
Thank you
space.
forever and ever.
It will, yeah, okay, so yeah, you need to draw a
Sorry,
card.
Karen.
Okay,
No one wants
so who are we up to
to-
now?
Oh, Ronan, these are
We're the feral cats.
Oh, I moved back a space.
Alright,
You're on
so
producer.
you can share it with Darlington.
That's so bad. You,
Okay.
a rodent eats your seeds. Move back 1
Move
space.
forward 2 spaces.
No one knows
Yes.
what it is.
You have access to
Finally on the board, I'm finally growing.
Colonized prairie.
two spaces.
All right. We've got some competition.
Move forward 1, yay, and then I move forward another 2. Which you are.
Oh, sorry, group.
So who are you? Who are you?
Because of
Yeah,
time, we
you're
have
in
no
back.
time.
We're so bad.
Very clear, very
Oh,
close
we have
to
one, yeah.
win something.
We haven't.
No, we're not even anywhere close to winning.
So where is it?
No.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we're not even close. Because we were doing competition every time we landed on the same spot, so.
Sunlight and moisture. Move 2 spaces forward.
Which species is the leading?
And garlic mustard.
Okay, remember that one, and
Garlic
okay.
mustard is the winner, and I moved two.
maybe
Oh,
we
wait a
should,
second.
we shall
Colonized field edge.
stop
Move forward 1.
and
Oh,
I could have.
did you see?
That's it.
Okay, garlic mustard 1.
okay. Congratulations.
Yeah, I was gonna say the garlic mustard is
Is
gonna
that-
win, and I knew
okay,
that.
let's focus on the worksheet. Oh, we have some
What?
questions to discuss.
Alright, so now, let's imagine we all finish the game. Can each of the group tell me which plant is winning?
Garlic mustard.
Garlic
Garlic
mustard.
mustard.
Garlic mustard.
Yeah.
Oh.
Have a guess why?
Because it's an invasive species.
It's a
Yes, that's
It's
it.
a weed.
Because they give us, so the invasive species give them some advantage over other plants, right?
Yeah.
So now can we working on a worksheet and kind of reflect on what we learned in this game?
There was rain, I know there was rain, there was competition. Nutrients. Sunlight and moisture, that's right. Nutrients.
last week.
The third one was just like, wasn't looking at you. I just remember it really. I don't know, how do we know that?
It's, so this is covered the year before. I just bought this. It's, so it's supposed to be like a prior knowledge of the year before. So it makes sense.
Well, I don't understand this because I don't know this information. That's the last one.
Like sensual and sexual.
Yeah, I don't know that.
Sexual means that sexual means they are producing
Means when you've got a male and female
Yes.
plant, they can be cross-pollinated, and then they produce fruit. Or
I haven't done
whatever.
year 9 science in
That's
a
okay.
long time,
I'm-
so.
That's okay.
That's okay. Don't worry about that.
Spread and grow.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Spread and grow new roots, that's it.
So asexual are better at reproducing, but they aren't as.
Was there something in this game that would have told us that, or
No.
was there something in this game about that?
You can recall your question. We will explore in next 3 weeks.
It's just supposed to be primary.
Write down your questions.
All right, everyone.
It's like specific for the game.
Let's look at the worksheet together, right? And have a quick discussion about this worksheet. So let's start with this question 2 of how about to start with this table. Which plant species were most successful across your rounds?
Garlic mustard. Garlic mustard.
Yeah. During the whole process of this game, how can you emphasize something about the succeed of this plant?
How far they went?
How far they went?
But
And
not
then?
just population.
Population.
Yeah, so the further it goes, the bigger the
Yeah. Yeah. Anything else?
When it produces seed, it moves forward 3 spaces.
Yeah.
Whereas some
That means it moves further than any other species, right? Yeah. Anything else?
Also wins a lot more compared to other plants.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, this species is more successful in the competition, right? And then we start with the what kinds of environmental challenges are these persons appeared in the game? Question 3.
Sorry, what's that? Oh, there was competition.
Competition.
Lots of competition.
Environmental challenges. Competition.
Water.
Water.
Rats.
Rat.
Rat.
And then
Fungus.
fungus.
Light.
Light.
Rain.
Brain. Brain. Yeah. Any other thing?
Oh, everyone's dead.
Does it exclude some like
Nutrients.
wind? Nutrients, right. So there's a lot types of challenges to emphasize and affect the population of the plants or animals, right? And then in that game, some plants produce the many seeds while others produce the fewer. How does seed production relate to reproductive success in nature?
The more seeds you can produce, the more successful you will be at reproducing.
Yeah, just in case the rate of the survival is pretty low, if you have more seeds, you will be successful to press the next generation, right?
Yes.
Anything else?
No.
Just one? Just guess what if we have anything else. Okay. All right. Because of the time, we have no time to discuss the last question. If you have any other questions, please record that, and we will explore in next few weeks. All right. All right. And this is our lesson, and let's do the exit ticket. Just run it and paste on the blackboard. All right.
We need to put on the exit ticket.
Yeah.
What is this?
Exit ticket.
I know. What are we writing on it?
What do you think of this lesson? And if you have any questions about this lesson,
Okay.
yeah, you
Perhaps just questions, because what they think of the lesson they're going to do on the feedback.
Yeah.
So if you imagine you're the teacher, what year level are we?
10.
Yes, sir.
Year 10?
Mm-hmm.
So they're just writing a question they might have about today's lesson, rather than, but not necessarily feedback on what they thought of the lesson. Just to remind you, once you've done your exit ticket and then you're doing feedback, take a photo of the feedback for your records for the assessment, and then the hard copies go to the presenters of that lesson.
Just stick on that feedback worksheet for me.
Yeah, the other ones look really good.
Tell me.
The different
topic is evolution. Okay, and what was the link between the feral cats and the, so you're looking at plants?
So we start with the invasive animals.
What's the?
Invasive species.
Invasive, okay,
So then
yes.
we're going to introduce like how invasive species are going to like put pressure on other plants in the environment.
Okay, yes.
Which lead to evolution.
Okay, alright, good. And the game was something that you found?
Yes.
Yeah, all those tags.
I think that's
I think so. I would like it. Just
okay.
Because limited.
Which is, yeah, that's
No,
okay, no,
just-
absolutely.
just-
Alright, okay, so just a couple of things, when you started by introducing evolution, consider not telling them what they were going to do. So, you know, that kind of element of surprise, so maybe, you know, showing your video and asking them what they think they're going to be learning about, rather than telling. So, you know, when we're doing the first lesson, like I did with the world tour, I think I gave you an activity, for you then to start making some predictions. So just kind of
Because this is
inviting
an
interest. I would have liked to have seen that there. So always ask rather than tell.
Oh my God.
With the discussion on Kangaroo Island, so what was the relevance of Kangaroo Island?
So we want to like use kangaroo powers to
Right,
link
yes.
their knowledge.
Right,
So that's
okay.
why we cannot link rabbits,
Oh, okay.
because of endangered species.
Okay.
So why kill everything on it?
Alright, okay, and so maybe there to engage more students, because they're only a small group and only a couple of them has been to Kangaroo Island. Maybe if they turned and talked, or, you know, quick show of hands, how many people have been to Kangaroo Island, so you know how many can relate to Kangaroo Island, and I think there was only a couple.
And I go back to
Maybe not, one or two. So sort of finding out, do they know where Kangaroo Island is, like a little bit of kind of inviting them into the topic, rather than assuming that they know.
More information to show you.
Yeah, so just kind of making it, you've got to imagine they're year 10s, not these nice adult learners. With your questions, just what are we doing? You need to reframe it to what are we learning? What do you think we're learning about? So this is where, like with the grammar, because that can be challenging, use AI. So ask Copilot what would be a question we could ask, you know, give Copilot the description, and Copilot will give you a question that would have, like they worked it out because they're adult learners, but your year 10s are going, what are we doing? We're sitting here at our desks doing nothing. Do you know, like they're gonna, that question means, what are you doing? I'm just sitting doing nothing. So it's just the grammar. Get the grammar right. The question should be, what do you think we're about to learn about, or what do you think this lesson is about? You know, so inviting with the right words. Use AI, it will help you, it really will. And the groups of